Everyone, welcome back to my channel Be a Scientist. Today we are going to start a new chapter of physics, that is chapter heat. So before knowing heat, what will we discuss? We will discuss that what is temperature, because heat and temperature has some relationship. So degree of hotness of a body is temperature. How hot a body is temperature. You know that when you measure your body temperature when you feel low, that's something temperature. That you measure temperature. You have fever. Why? Because your body is heated up. It's hot. You can see in this picture also. This thermometer. This thermometer has gone up because heat is there. How heat is there? Sun's heat is there, has sunlight. So this thermometer has gone up. So this is what is something temperature. So now is heat energy? Yes, heat is a form of energy that is transferred from one body to another, which is hotter body to a colder. Which body is this body is a hotter, this body is colder. This hotter body's hotness will go into the cold body. So this is how heat is a energy, how heat is a form of energy. So in the second point it's written, transfer of energy is taken place from hotter body to a colder body. So this is what I explained you before. So this is how heat is energy. So now heat and temperature. Now heat is the energy of a body that is due to the motion of its molecules. Now if we are running, we'll get sweat. Why? Because our body is heated up, and because our body is heated up, what was happened before? Our molecules started moving here and there, and then sweat get transformed. Sweat glands get activated, and we get sweat on our body, a lot of sweat. Okay, so temperature is just an indicator of this energy. Of which energy? The heat energy. If we measure temperature, then we get to know that how our body is heated, how heated our body is. So this is the relationship between heat and temperature. So now let's move forward. Addition and removal of heat. So when we add the heat, the motion of a body is faster. When we run fast, then our body gets heat, and then only the sweat is formed. But when heat is removed from our body, then we get cold, and our motion gets slower. So this is something addition and removal of heat. Okay. So now effect of heat. What is the effect of heat? Physical changes. First we will learn what are physical changes. These are divided into three parts. First is change in temperature. Here you can see change in temperature, and the second is change of state. The third is thermal expansion. So these are the things that we are going to learn today. So change in temperature. We all know that addition or removal of heat brings change in temperature. Yes, if our body is heated up, then our temperature will be more because we are heated up, and this is something that is normally happens. When you got hot, then only you get fever. Yes, so this is a common thing which we have faced, because everyone has got ill even once, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. This just depends upon the nutrition which you have. Now, second, change of state. Under appropriate condition, addition or removal of heat to or form of a body can also bring about change in its state. When how? Excited to know? Yes. When you keep water in the ice tray in refrigerator, what happens? It changes its state. When it is in liquid form, it is in our room temperature. But when we keep it in the freezer of the refrigerator, it takes the solid form, which is ice. So these are some things which we have to learn today. Okay, so this ice, when is heated up, is then converted into steam. What is steam now? What is steam? Yes, steam is the water vapors. The water vapors, the gaseous form of water. Now, water. We have got to know many things here, right? Water. Water has three forms. Yes. How? Water itself is a one form, which is liquid. And then, first this is liquid, which we know, which we drink, but which we put in our cold drinks. What is it? It's the solid state of water. That is ice, right? That is ice, and it is solid in form. And the third form, which is steam. Now steam, what is steam? Steam is the gaseous form, the water vapors which are formed, okay? So this is the second effect of heat. Now thermal expansion. Most of solids, liquids and gaseous are known to expand on heating. Yes, interesting, right? This phenomena is called thermal expansion. For example, the metal rim which is put on the cart wheel. How it has happened? How the big rim is put onto the cart wheel? How? Yes, interesting to know, right? This cart wheel is designed to have a slightly small diameter than the cart wheel. Okay, so when the rim is heated up, it expands. Now this is thermal expansion. When it expands, it slips on the wheel easily. And when it is cooled up, it contracts, it grips the wheel firmly, and the cart wheel is formed. So this thermal expansion is very important because this is something new to know, because change in temperature and change of state, we already know. These are some common phenomena, the daily seeing phenomena, these phenomena which we see daily. So this is effect of heat. I hope that everyone has understood it, and everyone hopes that I am teaching well. So thank you everyone. This was our last slide, and in next video we will understand that what are thermometers, how temperature of our body is measured. Okay, so be ready for physics. Bye bye, and do subscribe, like and share our channel link. Okay, so bye bye.